Cramp, prevent and treat with yoga. Hi. Most cramps appear in the leg muscles, especially the calves. Cramps can be caused by many different reasons. However, if it is not for a serious medical cause that requires medical intervention, the following exercises can also help prevent and treat common cramps very effectively. Please practice with me. One minute. First, we meditate and passively stretch the ankle and knee muscles in the diamond pose like this. Observe in your mind the stretching of the muscles above the thighs, knees, and ankle muscles. Breathe evenly, slowly and deeply in the lower abdomen. For phases, now move into another kneeling position with our toes bent forward. Please follow me carefully. This pose is similar to the diamond pose mentioned above, but the other is that the tips of the toes are bent forward and braced against the floor. 1 minute. You should feel a very tense stretch in your toes as well as the soles of your feet. Hands and shoulders relaxed naturally. The back is straight and can be tilted back slightly, increasing the pressure on the heels. Always breathe evenly, slowly, and deeply in the lower abdomen. For phases, you can also move your knees forward slightly to increase the stretch of the toe and foot muscles. A quick little pause in the diamond pose for a moment. Now we are going to stretch the muscles behind the legs. Please follow me. In this pose, the right leg is in front, the left foot is behind, the toes are bent forward and pressed to the floor as above. We sit on the left heel, the right leg extended in front. We will bend the upper body on the right leg. In turn, the abdomen will press on the thighs, the chest will press on the knees, and finally the face will rest on the right shin. We will do this process for 1 minute. We move slowly like this, please. Combine well two parallel but opposite movements that are both muscle contraction and stretching. Simultaneously coordinate in rhythm with 4 phases of breathing slowly, deeply, and evenly in the lower abdomen. Even if you are able to do it quickly, do not be impatient to do the movements too quickly, reducing the effectiveness of the prevention and treatment of diseases in general, as well as the prevention and treatment of cramps as the objective of this exercise. When you can rest your head on your shin this way, try to relax the muscles in your toes with your left foot, and the muscles behind your right thigh, right popliteal fossa, and right calf as much as possible. Always breathe regularly, slowly, and deeply in the lower abdomen. We rest in the diamond pose for a while. Now do the same, with the left foot in front, the right foot behind. We will bend the upper body on the left leg, always in the order: belly, thigh, chest, knee, and finally the head is on the tibia. 1 minute. If you're not able to bow that close to your left leg right now, that's okay. In front of your eyes, rest assured to perform the posture according to your own abilities. It is important to know how to place awareness in the movements that stretch the target muscles. In this position, the main target muscles are the muscles of the right toes and foot, as well as the muscles of the back of the left thigh, of the left popliteal fossa, and of the left calf. Remember to always breathe in 4 phases using your lower abdomen, evenly, slowly and deeply. A short break in the diamond pose again for a while. And, let's do the hero pose now. Please follow me. We extend our heels and calves to the sides to be able to sit comfortably on the floor with the buttocks. One minute. Sit upright, place weight on your buttocks lying on the floor. In this position, the knee muscles are stretched most intensively, then maybe upper thigh muscles, ankle muscles, etc. A short break in the diamond pose again for a while. Now let's do a pose called reclining hero pose. Follow me with your attention. We first sit in the hero pose. Our buttocks rest comfortably on the floor. Now we are lying on our backs. Please do it with me carefully, lying on each side with each elbow like this. Next, head lying on the floor, then shoulders, and finally the whole back was flat on the floor. 1 minute. Breathe evenly, slowly, and deeply 4 phases in the lower abdomen. Relax your whole body in this position. Concentrate on the even, slow and deep 4-phase breathing in the lower abdomen. Come on, we tilt our body to the side to get each leg out of the pose. Now, before finishing the workout, you can relax your legs using such shaking techniques. And finally, perform the familiar spinal conditioning technique. You can practice these leg relaxation and spinal conditioning techniques for as long as you want. Good practice. Thanks, goodbye and see you soon.